Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's uncover it.
Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope so you all are fine. Today we will discuss about the topic that how we can form the Google Forms on the Google, which you can assign to your student. For this purpose, first we have to click on this, which is the Google Apps. When you click on this, the form will appear. Here the form appear. You have to click on it. When you click on this app, then you see the page like this. If you want to assign the Google form to your students, the quiz to your students, then click on this blank quiz. Then the page like this appears on your screen. Here there is a header for that quiz. If you want to assign the quiz to the grade 9 students and your test is for the subject chemistry, then you write like this. Then you have to select all this and copy this and paste on this blank quiz. Then the first question of the students is to tell your name. You have to write student name and you click on this is means that if the student not fill this the students will not go to other question. So click on the required and you have to click on the short question. Next question is add from this plus point. Then the other question is arise, and on this question you have to write the class or the section of the students. And click on the required one. Next one. Is the campus, from which campus of your college or the university this student fill this form, and then click on the required one. You click on this section, which is the add section, and then your Google form is separate into the new section. The new section is appears on your screen. Same the header we copy from the above, you have to paste on this. Here you can write the description of your form. Choose the correct one. Next, the first question you will enter from the add question. The first question will appear. The space for the first question is appears on your screen. Then you write the first question, like I write that what is the electronegativity of fluorine. The first option may be 3. Next, enter, click on the enter key and the next option will appear. Next one is the 4, then again press the enter key. 5 or 6. This is how we will write the question. Then you have to click on the required one, so students don't skip this question, and then click on the answer key. When you click on the answer key, the number will appear. First you have to assign the number of this question. Suppose I write the 1, and now you select the answer. The correct answer is 4, so you have to click on this. The green color will appear, and then you will have to click on the option done. And the next question you will enter from this add question. So the red star is appears means students don't skip this question. So here is the method from which you can easily assign the quiz to any student. Thank you so much. I hope so you now understand this.
Thanks for watching our video. Drop a like, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's uncover it.